myself JB Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZVC 6th semester. We will discuss the topic in image and disease of honeybee. Bee enemies, insect enemies, wax moth, greater wax moth, Galleria melonella, and smaller wax moth, Echoria gracella, Beps and ants, hawk moths and dragonfly are the common bee enemies. Non-insect enemies is spider, pseudoscorpion and mites, and other enemies like ectoparasites and endoparasites. Ectoparasites Tropilarilepus species and endoparasites Ascarpis budi. Bee enemies toads, squirrels, lizards, white snake, birds, king crow, wood peacock, woodpeckers, green bee eaters, and bears are the common bee enemies. Waxmoth, maximum activity, rainy seasons, economic loss, 5% loss of colony. Okay. Preferences, weaker colony and old vacant combs. Management of wax moth, remove the infested combs and destroy either by burning or digging inside the soil. And second points, unite the weaker colonies. Next, clean the bottom board at fortnight intervals and adequate food supply to maintain a strong colony. Next, always maintain healthy combs. Okay, and spray of B401, a formulation of Bacillus, right? BEPS activity May, June, August, and September. Serious in hilly areas. 25% colony loss every year. Weaker colony suffers maximum and active in front of hive during 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Right? In management of wasps, destroy the wasp nest either mech- mechanically or by using fumigants like aluminum phosphide or calcium cyanide. Maintain a strong colony and use a wasp trap covering the colony with coconut branches. Okay, next mechanically collected and destroy. Next, ant, nature of damage, take away the honey, pollen, egg of honeybee and weaker colonies. Management, swab the stand with used mobile legs of hive placed in cup of water. Clean the bottom board at fortnight intervals. Okay. Endoparasite mites, endoparasite Ascarapis species causes ascarin disease. Both nymphs and adult feed the hemolymph from the younger weaker worker bee by entering through the spiracles. Symptoms, presence of crawler bee on front of hives, yellow dropping due to dysentery and distended and signings abdomens. Management: smoke fumigants with chlorobenzylate. Like next, ectoparasites, Trophilepus species, rust red mite attacking both broad and adult, spread through rockweed. Symptoms of ectoparasite mites: irregular, irregular broad patterns, dead, malformed larvae, pupa, and adults. Management: fumigation with 85% formic acids. Okay, thank you.